Faulkner fixes all. Part 2, part 3. I don't know. The manifold's coming off. Had some problems with that lower flange bolt, as you could see. It was fighting me, but I got them all out. I didn't break any bolts. Knock on plastic. Okay, so this should just, in theory, lift right out. Maybe I don't have to unbolt this dipstick. Maybe we'll get this dipstick out of the way. Give me a couple inches more. Everything should be loose, and we got all the bolts out. It's hanging on. The flange is there but loose. There, let's see. Maybe we can just lift it off, maybe. Something's holding it. We might have to move this bracket, I'm not sure. There we go. Oh, a piece of the gasket broke off, that's good. Don't care about that. Did not say it was going to be easy. Maybe behind the AC line, maybe. What do you guys think? Tell me in the comments. Tell me I'm doing it wrong. Okay, it's close. It's just a matter of deadlifting it out of here. Man, this thing's heavy. Don't worry, the AC doesn't work. So we're not ruining any lines. Okay. We got this sucker out of here, son. That was a chore. Okay, so we'll bring it in the shop and compare it to the used one I'm going to put on. So here we go. Okay, that was fun. The gasket ready to fall in. Oh, there's a little peg there. That's what was holding me up. There's a little peg, a locating peg. Huh, I didn't see that. It seems to be the only one. Should be one over here, maybe. Yeah, I'll get to that. Great time to change the freeze plugs, maybe. Anyway, that gasket was toast. We'll get back and stuff some rags in here in a minute. But right now, we're going to compare the junkyard one I bought. Okay. Hi. All right, so I got this one. And they look like they're going to work. We'll have to take this intake off. And from experience, these bolts will probably break that hold it together. That's just the way it goes. I'll let you know. But I'll show you the main problem with this one. Let me get you off of here. Yeah, the main problem, besides this donut being totally loose and blown out, this heat choke inside there's a little valve. It looks like that inside there. And this one's good. See how that's nice and tight? There is a kit to repair it. I have it, but I don't think I'm even going to use it. This one from the junkyard, there's very little play in there. Spring is working good. When the engine's cold, it's up. It forces the heat up to the manifold to atomize the mixture and keep your engine running. And then when it gets hot, that thing closes, forces all the exhaust down where it should go. It's good to have this little pin in there. There's a little play, but it's not bad. And on this one, different story. A lot of play there. It was leaking really badly. You can see that one's moving around a lot. that's just blown out, you know. And not only that end, but over. Come on now, work with me, dude. On this end also, see a little shaft in there. That was also loose and blown out. In fact, well, that's all for now.